right, today we're going to take a battery out of a Nissan Leaf and put it on that and put it in that. So I don't know how many I counted screws we took out, Dave, but it's good dozen under here, would you say?
Oh yeah, this is just the splash shield.
All the magic's above this.
Yeah, how much dirt's up under there.
Okay, one panel off. Two more. This was just held on with one more fastener, number 10 here. And I think, oh, with one more clip here. So all the covers are off. That's
now we have to disconnect the main bolt.
Oh yeah, that's a wicked,
High voltage.
that's a wicked connector. You say one of these is the main high voltage, so
They're
this
all
one,
high voltage.
and this one is for the
That's the
heater.
Yep.
And then what's this guy? Some
The
sort of
heater, air
control?
conditioning, and that's for the main power from to the traction motor.
What's this one do?
That's the controls for the electronics.
Okay.
So Mars, the battery and stuff, the BMS system they would call it.
So once these come off, there's a bunch of bolts around
Yeah,
the outside. Is there certain ones we take off first?
Yeah,
Or?
no, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna take these ones off back here first on the side, back here.
Yep.
And they're the main brackets, and then what I do is I take the back ones off, take these two off, and that leaves my sides, which then I can put the card under and then undo them from the side.
Good.
This way you're not underneath it, undoing these with these already out, the whole thing will fall on you.
Well, that wouldn't be good.
1,000 pounds.
That's what that weighs?
Yeah.
Wow. A lock or something?
Yeah, they have two. There's one here. There's your grenade pin. So that goes in and they pull that out.
Okay.
Unlocks that to allow this to pull that out.
Oh, I saw that. Yeah.
Yeah, and then sometimes they're a little rusty in
It's
here.
a little sticky from some Nova Scotia corrosion.
Actually, this one's from Quebec.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. With the pans under here, it seems it can collect more water and salt.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll get that off here. There it is. Awesome. She's out.
Look at that. Now that's, you don't put your fingers in there, right?
No, it's disconnected.
These are like gloves somebody'd use like doing power line
Yeah,
work?
exactly. Same thing. See, there's no voltage in there.
So you're just checking to make sure
Yeah.
we're good and safe here.
Yeah.
And that, there's a disconnect inside?
Yeah, there's one inside, but once I kill the 12 volts,
Yep.
then it'll shut off the main power for the battery.
Okay.
So I got no voltage there.
Which is a good thing to check because that would have been that's a bad place
Well,
to
we
stick
won't
your
wash.
fingers, right?
I won't wash the battery too, so I want to make sure there's no DC voltage on there.
Every connector's got something different, eh? Now it's got a
There it goes.
little clip.
Right now.
Once the
Grab
clip,
that.
once the clip's out, then this will push in.
Yeah, that just pulls right out. Should pull out. That's the entire locking
That's
unit.
it.
Yeah. And see how the clip looks?
Oh.
This is a different type of locking clip.
Yep.
So once this one's out, it pulls out, where the other one, you undo it, and then you have to still push the release.
Yeah. Now that one has more connections.
Yeah, that's the battery management system for charging. So it prevents the battery from overcharging and monitors discharge rates and charge rates to the batteries.
What have we got? A dozen wires in there?
Yeah, probably, yeah. Based on
Shy of
each
that?
module, yeah. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the center bolts and the two back bolts. These ones will probably need ratchet. And then,
Because they're tucked up in there. Okay,
Yeah.
so I can do these.
yeah, and then the two front ones, and that'll leave us the side ones, and then we'll position the cart. One thing you have to be aware of is that the back of the battery, see how much higher it is here?
Yes.
And compared to the front of the battery,
Yes,
it's
that's
very thin. So that means there's more weight in the back of the battery.
Okay, so we'll have to take that in consideration.
Yeah, so because if one breaks, I'd rather while I'm in control
Yeah.
than no control.
Well, you got all yours out. I'm still on my first one here.
And what I'll do is I'll let it fall back a bit on the.
Yep.
Okay, that'll lift the whole car up.
Powerful little rig, that.
Once I know the battery balance coming out, see, the battery
you can-
never tilted at all.
Nope.
And she said, okay, so now I do is I raise the hoist up.
Yeah, she's free. Look at that.
There you go.
You can. First time I've seen one Looks like a gas tank.
It does look like a gas tank.
You
Yeah.
know? Sounds like a gas tank.
There's nothing in it.
So this is metal, obviously.
Yep, yep. Yeah, it's just in metal cage. You see all the rust on it, so.
Yeah.
And there's
And,
a seal inside there.
And this is the disconnect you were talking
Yeah,
about
that's the
earlier.
disconnector inside. Yeah, I killed the 12 volts, so it kills that. That's just a secondary, so that's why I test it when I unplug it.
So do you have to take the seat out to get to this?
Yeah, no, underneath the floor, so right behind the.
And the little cover that anybody can get to
you
it
pull
quickly.
you just pull a piece of carpet up, and there's the bolts there.
And then that just lifts.
Yeah,
lifts
there's
it.
a special procedure removing that. It's just a lever
Yeah.
that pulls out. That's the right number there. So it's the smallest battery they make for the Leafs.
Where's your scale?
Oh, so if I go up here, 960,
Can you see it on that
950,
phone?
yeah. Yeah, you see it on the screen.
So it's about almost 1,000 pounds.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Hey, Paul.
Comes your paint.
Awesome.
Thank Guy.
Thank you very
Alrighty.
much.
We'll see you guys later
Thank
on.
you.
All right.
Good timing.
Yeah, totally good time.
Gonna put a little, freshen up this little bit of rust. Fresh looking battery coming in. Look at that. Sweet. So essentially we're bringing this little Nissan Leaf back to life. And it looks fabulous under here.
Yeah, it's nice.
You know, this looks like it's still brand new underneath. You know, it's gonna get a new to her battery. That's what EV Canada's all about, is saving EVs.
Yeah, saving them, yeah, for another day. Okay, now I make it so it kind of lines up.
Yep. And
And
then
then
swing
I'll
it back.
back it up, yeah.
Yeah, no, that's a great. Rig that. That's it. We've got it up in place. Bolts
Okay.
lined up easily. And raise the car back up.
Should be back on the road in about 20 minutes.
Oh yeah. Back down on the locks. Safe to go under.
Back. I like how everything just lines up nice.
Oh, very nice. As I said, that's easier than putting a battery in a Dodge 200, I think.
That's very quick. Okay.
4 16s back there. A couple of these little straps with little 10 mils on them. On the other side as well. Little strap. 2 connectors back on, of course. And then all the covers. Bolts back in. And the little
Cover.
little clippy things. So we got the batteries all finished, David.
Yep.
And now we're gonna see if it starts. One problem. I don't see a starter.
Here's see an oil filter.
Like
either.
totally, this is the transmission right here. I see axles, simplistic brakes and calipers, lower control arms, but there's no starter on this car.
No oil filter, no
No oil
pan.
filter, no oil pan.
Here we go, powering up. Battery, perfect. We have full charge. 11 bars, 47 miles left on her. Will she go into drive? Perfect. That's good.
It's
You wanna-
happy once again.
You want to have the honors of driving it out?
Sure. Wouldn't let me play the game on the Tesla the other day, but he'll let me drive a Leaf. Yeah, I've got no idea what I'm doing. Is there like
Put your foot on the brake.
foot's on the brake
Okay, now see the little lever thing?
right here?
Yeah, now push it over and down.
Over and down. Oh yeah, and I saw
See
the
D on the dash
I saw a D here.
and D there.
And there's a D here. Yeah. Okay.
And you're able to go.
What's crazy is I don't hear anything.
No.
Ooh. So I just let off the brake and it moves.
Yeah, that's right. So just start driving.
Oh, which is nice because you just like a gas car,
Yeah, same thing.
I can control the brake. I don't have to hit the gas. Wow. Works awesome. So now we're gonna charge it up. So this is the fuel door.
Yeah, fuel door. There, just flip
Cool.